Hey guys, what's going on? Roy Castillo here one more time. On today's video, you're going to learn a little bit about the drawer management module and how it works. And of course, how to read the reports, right? That's very important. You're also going to have the ability to check all your drop reports, your credit card reports, your finance reports, and your airtime payments reports. But what I'm going to do now is run a report that has all these included, right? So we're going to go ahead and select the report that's off the 15th of March. That's this is what's expected to have counted at the end of the day. What was in the drawer from the final sales? That's $3,032.20. This is what was really counted, right? This is what your staff counted. That's $3,002.21, meaning we're going to be short for $29.99. So we're going to go ahead and open up this report, which, by the way, is going to arrive to your email every time your reps shuts down the cash register. You're going to know exactly what location it's from, what time and date it was closed, the employee who did it. And over on the bottom, you see cash deposit. This is what you either take or deposit to the bank. This is what's left in the drawer for the next morning, for the next shift. And this is my discrepancy. You know, whether you were over or had a discrepancy, this is where you'll be able to find it. Cash sales, credit sales, finance sales, and of course the grand total. Your cash, your credits, and your finance amounts on two ways. Of course, what was totaled and what was counted. The total that should be counted and what was really counted. Total that should be counted and what was really counted. You're going to see over on the next one a payment check. And what this does, it helps you know if everything that's being processed over on your payment platform, sort of like QPay, ePay, WebPost, you're going to know if every transaction that's being performed on one of those is going into your cash register. So as you could tell here, I had a discrepancy of $36, which now you can go ahead and ask your employee, hey, how come you were short for $36 on the payment? Cool. So if we keep scrolling down, guys, you're going to see every transaction that was performed throughout the day. The date, the time, the rep, customer, the number, and your grand total. And of course, your total. Not the grand total. So if we keep scrolling down, is where you'll see all of the next transactions bringing you up to now, of course, your grand total. And like I mentioned before, the same report is the one that you'll be receiving every time they close the register. Of course, guys, if you do have any questions about it, you can always chat us. Click on the chat, send in your question. And you will be assisted and be given a solution within a minute, guaranteed. And guys, once again, my name is Roy Castillo. You guys do make it a great day, and we'll be in touch. Goodbye.